Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube community of Just Curious Researcher. So today I want to show you one of the amazing, you can say contest, competition, anything you like. So this is about a human intelligence and agentic AI intelligence. You should go through this once. So what you have to do is like just watch this video once. I will put this link in the comment section as well as in the description section. Watch this video once and he will explain you how this agentic AI or ARC-AGI-3 benchmark is going to be for our agentic AI intelligence level. So this will be the basic benchmark for this. So previously they have 1 and 2 also in 2019 and I guess in 2024, and in this 2026 they have the third one with Kaggle. So you can check it on Kaggle as well as on their platform. I will put all the links in description and as well as in the comment section. So you can just explore this and you can either play and build AI. So benchmarks and the leaderboard statistics are quite surprising because no model has surpassed the 1% mark. The best model is I guess 0.37%, and human can solve all these games. So you can see here human can solve 100%, but not the best model like a Cloud Opus 4.6 also have capability to score on this benchmarks. So these are kind of a simple game. So you can see that here we need to put this block here, but the shape is not matching, right? So I know because I have already played this game once. So all these games are made by humans with the big player of gaming community and development. So these are all can be passed by humans. So it has 7 levels and I guess 25 games are for the public, and there are a hidden game sets. So what you have to do is like you have to build a AI agent which can play this game. So the interesting thing is there are nothing mentioned about what kind of rules are there, how you can win. So I have already know this game, so just let's try a different one. So it's like RE86. So now I actually don't know what we have to do, so I will just right click. So I guess maybe we have to put this square or plus shape something like to match this all. And so how we can move to this one, maybe pressing a space bar. Okay, so I guess after pressing a space bar or clicking here, it moved to yellow one. So this is how we can pass. So I guess this is how we have to figure out the ways how we can do that, because now let's say if we move this one first here, then maybe it will block to this one, right? So we have to figure out the rules by ourselves. So this is the challenging part, and this is what the ARC prize team want to you build something which can figure out its own rules and how you can play and win. I will strongly suggest just watch this video and then try some games you can play. I guess 25 games are there, you can try any random game. So now I don't know what we have to do here. So with each click it is consuming something, so maybe I will click here. No, okay, the arrows are not working. So okay, so if I press here I can move extend this. So if I extend up to the plus red one, so this filled. So this is how we have to figure out what is the gaming environment and what are the rules. So this is actually a challenging part, and we have a visual feedback as well as some our brain capacity, so we can solve these games. So now we have to build AI agent which can do this thing. So take the challenge, learn new things, read some research paper, and then try it out by yourself. Maybe the documentation will be given here. I have not yet explored it properly. So how to set up a game, and I guess this game will be run on your terminal so that your agents can play by themselves. So this is how you have to participate. Just go through it all and check out once. This is really interesting. So if you know about the ImageNet, so ImageNet is very helpful for the deep learning kind of a stuff in 2012 to 14 era. And now this is the benchmark for the agentic AI, and you should try it on by yourself. So that's it for the today's video. Just watch those, just go once through this, and you will understand how the things are like that. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Maybe I will try by myself, and I will give some updates on this ARC prize and ARC-AGI 3. Thank you.